Hi guys, how are you? Shall we start? Well, let's sprinkle the stripes with rhinestones. How does bling begin? Bling begins with... Oh, what a messy ruler is this? So shine begins with measurements. I want to cover these stripes with rhinestones. How many rhinestones do you think there should be in a row? 1, 2, 3 or 4? 4. Nothing like that. Have I shown the ruler for nothing? First we measure the stripe and we see it's 1 centimeter wide. Oh, how it's possible to sew such a dirty ruler on such a great YouTube channel. Shame on me. And only after that we can calculate how many rhinestones will fit this width. 1 centimeter is just 1 rhinestone size SS48. Holy crystal, it's too big. It's beautiful, it's sparkling, but it's gonna be really heavy. It'll be like a Christmas tree with balls. Two SS20 rhinestones fit well 1 centimeter. This size of SS16 will not work. 2 rhinestones are not enough and 3 are too many. To make 3 rows you need to use the SS12 size. And now imagine how many rhinestones you will need if you cover everything with small ones. By the way, how many rhinestones will you need? Let's do the math. Look, what a long and crooked ruler I've got. The length of one stripe is 70 centimeters. It makes 3 stripes 210 centimeters and 6 stripes 420 centimeters, accordingly as we've got 2 sleeves. Where does it get us? Well, here are the options. If we have 1 row made of size SS48, then we need 420 pieces. If we have 2 rows made of size SS20, we need 1824 rhinestones. And if we have 3 rows made of size SS12, we need 4520 crystals. Wow! What will you choose? Guess what? I choose the SS20 size. There are several ways to apply hotfix crystals on clothes. You can just take the rhinestones, arrange them and press them with an iron. But when doing this, it's gonna be hard to make smooth lines. Using applications on thermotape is an alternative. But it's so tedious to put the crystals one by one. One by one. One by one. So many rows, bloody crystal. Ugh. That's why now I'm gonna show you how you can make even stripes with rhinestones quickly and easily. For example, on a tracksuit. We will need thermotape, but just a bit later. In the meantime, I need a table, rhinestones, and a ruler. I just pour the rhinestones on the table and place them bottom down. Now I take the ruler and start arranging the rhinestones. An even row is ready. Now you can also move the second row next to the first one. Repeat as many times as necessary. In my case, I need 4 meters of these. I've lost count because I forgot how many stripes I would need. I've made 24 pieces so far, and if I don't have enough, I'll do more. It took me about 2 hours to lay out all these strips. Anyway, this is much faster than installing each rhinestone piece by piece according to a template. Well, now everything is simple. Remove the bottom layer and put the strip. At home you can use an ordinary iron. Put the regulator on point 2 or 3 or between them and just press it. But I'm not at home. Here I've got thermal press as it takes longer to do it with an iron. And I'm too lazy. Why glue with an iron if I've got a thermal press? So I will show you how to do it with a thermal press. But I assure you that just the same can be easily done with an ordinary iron. I've positioned the application, heated the press to 130 degrees and covered it all with a cloth. The cloth protects the suit from overheating. Let's do it! Now we can apply the next strip. Well, that is it. Done! I've told you. Easy peasy. Shall we put it on?